Welcome to the Treehouse Villas at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. Just across the way from Disney Springs, we are in a treehouse villa, so come on up, let me show you around. Welcome to Villa 7015. Before we even get inside here, there is a nice deck with a table and 4 chairs out here to enjoy your time. If you're concerned about bugs, you might want to bring your own citronella candle. We did. You'll see that there's one on the table that was not provided by Disney. That's something that we brought on our own. So let's go inside. Welcome to the Treehouse Villa. That's Liz.
Hi.
She's our hostess this weekend. And there's Chelsea.
I'm Chelsea.
So right as you come in, there is a substantial size dining table. It fits, looks like about 6 people. Pretty good size. The cabin itself, Liz, how much does the cabin? 8? Is that the max? Like they won't let you have any more? I don't know if you can bring a cot in, but it can comfortably sleep 8 people. I don't know what's in here. We haven't explored this room. This is a closet, so you have a vacuum in here, your safe is in here as well, and there's some clothes storage. And that's where the ironing board is as well, and the iron. And as we continue in, here is the kitchen. Very substantial kitchen. You definitely can cook a full meal in here, and it's equipped with everything. So there's a coffee maker, toaster, full-size fridge, oven, stove, like everything you need to have a meal. And then plenty of storage. You see, we're only staying here one night, but we brought stuff for like 2 weeks. It's ridiculous.
I'm hungry.
Look at the fridge and how packed it is. Like our families who are watching this will probably get the most kick out of this. Like that we're only here one night and there's so much stuff in this fridge. All right, so let's check out the living room. Hey.
Come join us.
Welcome to my living room.
So the living room has this is a pull-out couch here,
Yep.
and so that'll sleep 2 people out here in the living room. Liz is sitting in a side chair, and then there's, you know what? This is a bed too. So now we're up to 9 people. So I thought, for some reason, I thought it was 12 people total.
I thought it was 2.
We'll confirm how many people officially can sleep, and we'll put it in on the screen or in the caption. But you have a TV. That's probably what, like a 40-inch TV. Not a huge TV, but you don't need a huge TV because this resort has everything you need. You have Disney Springs almost in walking distance. I think in walking distance, you can walk there. You have a pool here just for the villas, but you also have access to the Saratoga Springs pool, which is a beautiful pool. All right, so let's check out the primary bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms total in this villa. The primary bedroom has, I think this is a queen. This does not look like a king bed to me. But there's plenty of storage in here. Where TJ is, there's a place to put your luggage, to unpack, and I think a drawer beneath. There is a full dresser of drawers alongside the bed, and then on each side of the bed there's an end table with drawers, and these have plenty of plugs. So there's USB plugs here as well as regular standard electrical plugs, and it's on both sides of the bed, so there's no shortage of plugs. There's a TV in here. The TV here is larger, and they have a desk just below the TV that also has a set of plugs, 2 sets of plugs actually. So the dresser even has, like, there's an abundance of plugs. You will not have a hard time finding a plug. Let's check out the primary bathroom. This is the type of bathroom I like to see at a resort, especially at this price point. You have a water room within this villa. So the door separates the rest of the bathroom to the shower, and then there's a tub in here as well. That's very nice. And then the commode is in a separate water closet, which, you know, that's my preference, is to have the commode separate when you are in a price point like this. Single vanity, so not double vanity, which I'm kind of surprised it's not double vanity, but single vanity here in the bathroom. So now the primary bedroom is behind the camera. We're walking through the kitchen, and through here is the bunk room. There is bunk bed here. So you have 2 twin beds as your bunk bed. You have nice sized TV in here, dresser as well, plenty of plugs in here. Let me see. There is standard plugs by the bed here, but I don't think there's any USB plugs by the bunk beds, but there's USB plug up here. You have a little shelf unit for storage, a closet. This closet is where your crib is. There is a laundry basket, hangers, etc. in there. So we just left the bunk room. It's right here. Next room is a bedroom with a queen size bed. This does not have a bathroom attached. There's a shared bathroom behind me, which we'll check out in a moment. But there is nightstands on each side of the bed, a nicely equipped room, and there is floor to ceiling windows in here. So this villa has a lot of windows to the outside, so you really feel like you're sleeping amongst the trees. Across from that bedroom, there is laundry. So you do have a laundry facility in here with a stacked washer and dryer. There's some more equipment in here, like a broom. I don't know if that's a mop. Some of our stuff in here is being stored in here at the moment, but it's nice that you have a washer and dryer for your stay. This is perfect for like a week-long stay at Walt Disney World. And finally, we have the shared bath. So this is a tub shower combo. You have a commode, vanity. It smells really good in here too. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it smells good. So you have your Disney products, no longer H2O, but it smells like H2O, which we love. You have those Disney products in here. And there's a nice little shelf here in the shower. And the bathroom itself is a decent size. We're almost done with this tour of the villa, but Liz wanted to make sure that we pointed out one thing, and that is the concierge service that you have inside the room. I'm not going to say it because it's going to trigger it, but Liz is going to show you.
It might be excited to go off on its own. So this is Hey Disney, and it's just partnered with Amazon with Alexa, and it can tell you jokes, it can give you park updates, the weather, whatever you might need. So let's give it a try. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Know why the Mandalorian always carries a sketchbook? 'Cause he's the quickest draw in the galaxy.
All right, so let's ask it maybe park hours.
Hey Disney, what time is Epcot open till today?
Today, Epcot has early entry starting at 8:30 a.m. with regular park hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. For guests of Disney Deluxe Resorts and other select hotels offering extended evening hours, the park will stay open until 11 p.m. Will there be anything else?
Yes, let's ask it about what kind of things can I have brought to my room?
Hi there. I hope I can make today more magical. Just say or tap, get things from my room. Send a cast member.
So you can read
Plan
off
my day.
what
Explore
it says,
Disney
Liz.
fun. Or try more things.
So get things for my room, send a cast member, Disney fun, plan my day, and try more things.
Get things from my room. Tell me what you want. Bedding, bath linen.
Wow, there's a lot in here.
So more toilet paper, towels, etc. So that's a really nice feature that you don't have to call the front desk anymore. You can do it all through.
You can ask me for more toilet paper,
through My Disney.
tissues.
We don't need anything, I don't think.
They do provide, did you see the laundry packs?
So they
Dish
provide laundry soap for you. They provide a little bit of stuff to like wash dishes, dish detergent. They provide a few essentials. You have paper towels in here. So it's really everything is here for you to just come and enjoy. The only thing that you'd want to do is bring your own groceries. And so, but you can do that with services like Instacart or Amazon or Walmart. I don't know logistically. I think logistically that goes to the front desk probably of Saratoga. They keep it, they receive it there, and then either you pick it up from there. I'm not sure if they have a service to bring it to you. Liz, do you know?
I'm not sure.
We'll do the research and we'll put it in the caption below on how that works. We'll put it in the YouTube caption just so that you know. But you don't have to go grocery shopping. It's easier to not go grocery shopping and just have groceries delivered right to the resort. That's it for our tour here at the Treehouse Villas. Now we're going to show you around property a little bit of what the pools look like, what Saratoga Springs itself looks like, what their lobby looks like. Now, when we came in today, we didn't talk to anyone except the person at the Treehouse Villas gate. I don't think he loved that. I think he wanted us to have a key card, I think, right, Liz?
Yeah.
So my recommendation is to go check in at the Saratoga Springs lobby and just do that first, and then drive your car into Treehouse Villas, because by checking in at the front desk, then you would get your key card. Liz didn't have her Magic Band handy, so maybe we could have accessed the gate with our Liz's Magic Band. But once we got here, did you open the door with your phone?
I did. I opened it with my phone.
So now Disney has the ability for the My Disney Experience app to be able to open the door of your room. So the only thing we had challenge with getting in today is the gate. So either have your Magic Band handy or check in at the front desk. But he just was like, show me your ID, and then we just came through.
But I think having a paper map, this resort's really big.
Yeah, it's huge.
So knowing like where the pools are, where the bus stations are, we can see it on the My Disney Experience app. But I love a good paper map to a property. that
Chelsea,
I've
do you have
been
anything else to add?
I'm Chelsea.
All right, guys, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to share this with someone who maybe is coming. If you have a crew that's coming here to Treehouse Villas, share this video with them. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We'll do our best to answer. If we don't have the answer, we'll go and try to hunt it down for you. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you to our Patreon members, and thank you to Liz for hosting us. And we will see you guys next time right here.